Can you tell me who you are, who you're with, and what your role is?
Well, my name is Gunnar Freud. I'm responsible for automotive at Neonode. We are a sensor company doing infrared light-based sensors for different applications in the automotive industry as well as in the consumer industry.
Okay, great. So let's talk about what you're showing here at TU Auto.
So what we're showing here is our sensor implemented in the steering wheel by many companies seen as the missing piece in the automated drive concepts that they are developing. We can see here that you have a steering wheel and a ring here. On the scene here in the background, you can see my hand when I move it around the steering wheel. You see that it senses that my hands are here. This means that we can, for example, present control buttons wherever your hand is, and the buttons will follow as you move your hand. One example is an incoming call will be represented by a red and a green button here, and I can answer my call by tapping on the green button, and you see the call being answered, and of course end it like this. This means that using the car and using the systems in the car doesn't require you to search for buttons, because the buttons will appear where your hands are. If you look at the automated drive solution, I can activate it by double tapping to get the menu, and I slide myself to automated drive, just tap, and you see now the indicators on the steering wheel saying that it's safe to release hands. If I want to go back into manual drive, I just simply put my hands on the steering wheel, and you can see the system giving me back the control of the car. These are some simple examples on how you can reduce driver distraction, because what we are presenting here is purely a safety solution, because we want to make sure that the auto industry can bring all this beautiful interactive technology into the cars in a safe way. We are in this case cooperating with Autolead, which is the leading safety manufacturer in the world today, in order to have a steering wheel that can easily and fast go into the future car.
And we will be seeing this on the roads how far in the future? How far out is this type of technology?
Well, on road testing, it's already begun, because for the car manufacturer, this is an important innovation. Not only does it enable safety, but it also gives you the opportunity of reducing the number of buttons in the car, thus saving cost and improving quality. Also, the technology itself, as a missing piece, the missing piece being filled by this technology in automated drive, is of course to educate people how to use this and to understand how do you want to use it. One can be if you have a very powerful car, that driving slowly you have a low position on the steering wheel, where the car has expanded safety zones, soft suspension, a very forgiving torque curve on the engine, whilst you see the more critical situation, your hands will go up here, and thus automatically adapting the car properties for a more active driving situation.
We say goodbye later before we leave.
You can do it the other way around, promoting safe positions on the steering wheel. So again, safety is a key thing, and what we want to achieve with this is being very interactive with the car and still keep hands on the wheel, eyes on the road.
Okay. Okay, great. Thank you.